Clinton sat at his rustic wooden desk, a gentle breeze sweeping through the open window of his Jamaican home, carrying the sweet scent of tropical flowers. The sun was setting, casting a warm golden hue across his cluttered sanctuary filled with books and papers. For years, he had poured his soul into the stories of his island, tales of vibrant culture, haunting folklore, and the indomitable spirit of its people. Today, he aimed to complete his most ambitious project yet, a novel that intertwined the magic of Jamaican history with a modern love story. As he typed, the rhythmic sound of the keys played a soothing melody, each word pulling him deeper into his characters' lives. He envisioned Mariah, a bubbly woman who navigated the complexities of life in Kingston, and Kevin, a man torn between tradition and ambition. Outside, the rhythmic beat of reggae drifted through the air, inspiring Clinton to infuse a bit of that energy into his writing. Just as he reached the climax of their story, a sudden knock on the door interrupted his flow. It was his neighbor, Miss Olive, bearing a basket of fresh ripe mangoes. "Thought you might need a snack to feed that imagination," she chuckled, her eyes sparkling. Clinton smiled gratefully, the ripe fruit reminding him of his childhood summer spent under mango trees. As he returned to his desk, he felt a renewed sense of purpose. The pulse of Jamaica surrounded him, fueling his creativity. With a flourish, he typed out the final line of the chapter, knowing that he'd not only captured his character's journey, but also woven his love for his homeland into every word. In that moment, Clinton realized that writing wasn't just his profession, it was his way of sharing the heart and soul of Jamaica with the world.